Did you know that 90% of millionaires have at least one source of passive income? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Passive income isn't just a dream, it's a proven strategy used by some of the world's most successful people to achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore what passive income is, why it's powerful, and 5 proven ways to start building it today. Let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, passive income works for you even when you're not working. It requires some upfront effort, but the rewards can last a lifetime. Anecdote: Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." His wealth is largely built on passive income from dividends and investments he made decades ago. Example: take Sarah, a 9-to-5 worker, who started investing in dividend-paying stocks. Over time, her portfolio grew enough to cover her utility bills, proving that even small investments can have a big impact. Why passive income matters? Why is passive income so powerful? First, it gives you financial freedom. You're no longer tied to a 9-to-5 job. Second, it helps build long-term wealth. And finally, it provides stability during life's unexpected events, like job losses or economic downturns. Anecdote: Chris V. LeBeau, author of The $100 Startup, shares stories of everyday people who built passive income streams that allowed them to quit their jobs and pursue their passions. One such example is a teacher who wrote an ebook that now generates enough income to fund her travels around the world. 5 proven ways to build passive income. Dividend stocks. Certain stocks pay regular dividends to shareholders, offering a reliable source of passive income. Companies like Coca-Cola and Apple have been rewarding their investors for decades. Reinvesting these dividends allows your portfolio to grow even faster. Anecdote: Warren Buffett has earned billions from dividends over his lifetime, reinvesting them to compound his wealth. Digital products. Create once, earn forever. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses allow you to make money repeatedly without additional effort. Platforms like Gumroad or Udemy make it easy to get started. Anecdote: Chris V. LeBeau's The $100 Startup highlights entrepreneurs who've turned simple digital products into consistent revenue streams. Real estate rentals. Investing in rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. Platforms like Airbnb make it even easier to rent out spare rooms or vacation homes for extra cash. Anecdote: Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, emphasizes the importance of real estate in building wealth. He turned rental income into a cornerstone of his financial success. ETFs and index funds. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds offer an easy way to invest in a diversified portfolio with minimal risk. For example, the S&P 500 ETF tracks the performance of top U.S. companies, offering steady returns over time. Anecdote: Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard and creator of index funds, believed that simplicity and low costs are the keys to long-term investment success. His funds have helped millions of people build wealth passively. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation can become a powerful source of passive income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once your blog or channel gains traction, the income flows in even when you're not actively creating content. Anecdote: Pat Flynn, host of Smart Passive Income, turned his blog into a revenue-generating machine, earning over $2 million annually while helping others start their journeys. Building passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards can change your life. Whether it's through dividends, real estate, or content creation, there's a path for everyone. Start small, stay consistent, and let your wealth grow. Which of these passive income ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of earning money while they sleep.